Oh, Monday morning, blah, blah, blah. No. So if we take a look, not much today at all. If you go to current work, which hopefully I am sharing with you. If you go to current work, it's the Combined Gas Law Lab. Tomorrow, not much either, Mythbusters. And then Wednesday, Thursday, study for your 9 weeks test. This is me working through the entire 9 weeks portion of the final exam review. So as you can see, I gave you a lot of freedom this week. I did that because I know that you guys have other 9 weeks tests maybe that you have to work with. So with this, I gave you some breakout activities that you actually didn't have to do during the class time. They're not only there, except for the 9 weeks test probably, but these other breakout activities, if you have a test that goes over or under or something like that, you can obviously get this done. You have until, it's due September 29th. So that is tomorrow. So you have until tomorrow to make sure you get this done. One key thing I do want to say is that this temperature here, the final temperature, where is it? Oh, it's holding at 20. So that final temperature is 25.9. If we go to, I think I'm gonna have to show you from here, I think. Nope, that's not it. If we go to here, if this is our final temperature, 25.9, and we look at this, for the actual worksheet here, 25.9, here's 25, and here's 26. So 25.9 is closest to 26. So when you need to subtract that pressure, that vapor pressure from that, you're gonna use this 25.2. If you wanted to, you could probably find a better vapor pressure sheet online, but I don't think it's gonna affect you that much. It's not gonna make the percent error any different. Keep in mind, the first things that you find are T1 and P1. The next thing that you find, I believe, is probably T2, which allows you to find P2. And the very last thing, the thing that you would normally be used to finding very quickly would be volume, because you would just measure it on there. The problem is we're using these flasks that don't have an actual measurement on there. So you've got to actually pour water into them and then pour those into a graduated cylinder to measure it. So I think these volumes are going to be the hardest thing to find. You'll actually, I believe, you'll find V2. No, you'll find V1 first, and then you can find V2 from the subtraction. Be careful that you understand. I've already had 3 turned in that needed to be I'm sorry, 2 turned in. Nope, this wasn't an assignment. I've had things turned in the past where, like the combined gas law quiz, where the person did the whole thing without changing the temperatures to Kelvin. If you don't change the temperature to Kelvin, you're not using the absolute scale, and you'll have to resubmit that. I probably should check the 2 that were submitted for this on that, but make sure you change your temperatures to Kelvin. That's all I got. If you got questions, by all means, stick around. Just keep in mind that 25.9, use 26 degrees Celsius for the vapor pressure. Any questions? Nope. All right. Like I said, you guys have until tomorrow to turn that in. So totally up to you.